Now the bulb question is something that has been asked a number of times. So what is actually the concept of this question? When any electrical appliance, okay, be it a bulb or maybe a fan, any household appliance if you take, if they are giving a rating, then that will be V square by R according to a specified voltage. At a specified voltage they are giving the rating, okay, because power expression you can write in both ways. P is equal to V square by R and P is equal to I square R. Both are correct. But when voltage is constant, then P is inversely proportional to resistance, and in this case power is directly proportional to resistance. Okay. So this difference is that only difference is power will be inversely proportional to resistance if V is constant, and this will be the case if I is constant. Okay. In the first case I will be varying. So that's why I square R will not be valid in this condition when V is constant. Similarly, if I is constant, then we will have to take this expression. Okay. And then we can say P is proportional to R. We cannot take this expression because here V is also varying, R is also varying. So P cannot directly, we cannot remove V and say that P is inversely proportional to R. Okay. So that is the only funda here. The power rating will be given at a specified voltage, at a constant voltage, meaning that power should be inversely proportional to the resistance. So here we will take the help of a gate question to understand this concept better. Two incandescent light bulbs of 40 watt and 60 watt rating are connected in series across the mains. Then which bulb glows brighter? So first you can visualize this. There is one bulb. Let us take it to be bulb A. When the specified voltage is given, then it will give out 40 watts of power. Now at the same voltage, at the same specified voltage, V, the bulb B, it is going to give 60 watts of power. Okay. Now this is the mains voltage. That means the voltage that is available in your house socket. Okay. This is the mains voltage, mains supply. Now what is happening? They are connecting two bulbs in series across the mains supply. Okay. This is the mains supply and the voltage, it is going to be V. This is bulb A and this is bulb B. Now which will glow brighter? Which will glow brighter is the one which will dissipate more power. Okay. Brighter bulb implies dissipate more power. Okay. So now the condition here is the current is same in both the bulbs. The voltage across each of them we do not know. Right. What we know is the current. So the power that is dissipated by A bulb is given by I square into RA we will take, and by bulb B is I square into RB. So which one is greater will now depend on the resistance values, because I is same. Whichever resistance will be high, that bulb will glow brighter. So we need to find which resistance is high. That we can find from this case. Okay. How to find which resistance is more. Okay. So we know that 40 watt bulb is equal to the mains voltage divided by RA. So that means what? RA is equal to V square by 40. And 60 watt bulb at the mains voltage you can write as V square by RB. So this is the case when you are connecting the bulb to the main supply. Right? That is what is given in the question. 40 watts means at the main supply the power dissipated is 40 watt. So V square by resistance will give you 40. Similarly for bulb B, V square by resistance will give you 60 watts. So that means RB here is V square by 60. So from this what do we get? Whichever denominator is smaller will be the larger number. So V square by 40 is greater than V square by 60. This implies that RA is greater than RB. So this means I square into RA is greater than I square into RB. So the power dissipated by bulb A will be greater than the power dissipated by bulb B. What is the bulb A? It is the 40 watt bulb, and this is the 60 watt bulb. So which bulb will glow brighter? 40 watt will glow brighter. Bulb will glow brighter. So that is all there is to this question. Nothing very difficult. Alright.